Why smart traders lose? Most people believe something very logical. If you are smart, you should be good at trading. After all, trading involves charts, numbers, analysis. So intelligence should give you an advantage. But in reality, something strange happens in the market. Some of the smartest people, engineers, analysts, mathematicians, often struggle in trading, while some traders with very simple approaches become consistently profitable. So the question is, why do smart traders lose? To understand this, let's look at two traders. The smart trader. Imagine a trader named Charan. Charan is extremely intelligent. He studies every chart pattern. He learns dozens of indicators: RSI, MACD, Bollinger Bands. He reads books about trading strategies. He watches hours of trading tutorials. Charan believes that if he understands the market deeply enough, he will eventually beat it. So every time he opens a chart, he starts analyzing everything. He zooms in. He zooms out. He adds more indicators. He studies every candle, every tiny movement. And slowly, something strange happens. Charan begins to see signals everywhere. The problem with intelligence. Highly intelligent traders often fall into a hidden trap. They overanalyze because their brain is trained to solve complex problems. When they look at the market, they believe every movement must have a meaning. Every candle must be analyzed. Every pattern must be decoded. But the market does not reward complexity. In fact, the market often rewards simplicity. The simple trader. Now let's look at another trader. His name is Vishal. Vishal's approach to trading is very simple. He doesn't use 10 indicators. He doesn't analyze every tiny movement. Instead, Vishal follows only a few rules. He looks at trend, support and resistance, and one simple confirmation signal. Then he waits, sometimes for hours, sometimes for days, sometimes even longer. To many people, Vishal looks lazy. But Vishal understands something important. The real nature of the market. Financial markets are not perfectly logical systems. They are driven by emotion, fear, greed, crowd behavior. Trying to understand every movement with pure logic often leads to confusion. Smart traders search for perfect explanations. But professional traders focus on probability. They don't try to understand everything. They simply follow what works. The overthinking trap. When smart traders lose, it is often because they make trading more complicated than it needs to be. They add too many indicators. They create complex strategies. They constantly change their system. They try to optimize everything. But every new layer of complexity creates more doubt, more hesitation, more mistakes. Eventually, their trading becomes inconsistent. The power of simplicity. Professional traders eventually learn an important lesson. The goal of trading is not to understand everything. The goal is to find a small edge and repeat it consistently. That edge might be simple: a support level, a trend, a breakout. But the key is discipline, not intelligence. The real skill of trading. The most important skills in trading are not intellectual. They are psychological. Patience, discipline, risk control, emotional stability. These are the traits that separate profitable traders from losing traders. And these skills are not related to intelligence. The final lesson, being smart, is not a disadvantage in trading. But it becomes a problem when intelligence leads to overthinking. The market does not reward the smartest traders. It rewards the traders who can follow simple rules consistently. So if trading sometimes feels confusing, the solution may not be more analysis. It might be less. Because in trading, simplicity often beats intelligence. Outro. If you enjoyed this idea about trading psychology, there are many mental traps that traders fall into. Why bored traders make more money? Why patience beats strategy? And why trying too hard can actually make you lose money? If you want to understand the psychology of trading better, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in the next video.